So, you're in the US and thinking about getting into Forex trading? Awesome. But hold on a second. Did you know that picking the wrong broker right out of the gate can cost you a serious chunk of change, even before you really understand how the market works? It's a common trap many new traders fall into. The US market has its own rules, and not every broker you hear about is actually playing by them here. But don't sweat it. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which 3 Forex brokers are fully licensed in the USA, super beginner friendly, and will help you kickstart your trading journey safely and smartly in 2025. Sound like it's worth a few minutes of your time? Let's dive in. All right, let's get straight to it. This is my top 3 list, counting down from number 3. Pay close attention, because each broker has its own strengths, and your job is to figure out which one is the best fit for your goals and style. And remember, I've got a quick question for you at the end to see what stuck. Kicking things off at number 3, we have IG. This is a heavy hitter in the global market, with a ton of experience. And importantly, they operate legally in the US, fully compliant with CFTC and NFA regulations. So, what does IG bring to the table for new investors like you? First, their web trading platform is seriously robust. It offers a wide range of analytical tools and real-time market data. If you're the type who likes to dig deep into research and make your own calls based on technical analysis, IG is a strong contender. Second, IG is pretty well suited if you're planning on longer-term trades, like swing trading or position trading, thanks to its detailed charting tools. Finally, their mobile app is solid, allowing you to monitor and manage your trades anytime, anywhere. However, there's one thing to keep in mind. IG's initial account verification process can be a bit thorough. This is actually to ensure security and regulatory compliance, but be prepared for it to potentially take a little longer than with some other brokers. IG is a solid choice, especially if you value a professional-grade platform and have a longer-term investment horizon. But what if you're looking for more flexibility, especially when it comes to your initial capital? Let's move on to our number 2 pick. Coming in at the runner-up spot, I want to introduce OANDA. OANDA is another reputable brand, fully licensed by the CFTC and NFA here in the US. So, what makes OANDA particularly attractive, especially for beginners? First off, they offer competitive spreads, especially on major currency pairs. Lower spreads mean your trading costs are minimized, a critical factor when you're just starting out and want to make every dollar count. The second huge plus, OANDA has no minimum deposit requirement. That's right, you can start with whatever amount you're comfortable with. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry and the initial risk. Deposits and withdrawals are generally quick, and they support various methods. And another feature many traders will love. OANDA offers direct integration with TradingView. If you're already a fan of TradingView's charting tools, you can trade directly from that platform with OANDA. One small note when trading with OANDA, as with other US-based brokers, is that leverage won't be as high as you might find with some international brokers. This is a US regulation designed to protect investors, especially new ones, from the significant risks of over-leveraging. In short, OANDA is a fantastic option if you prioritize flexibility with your capital and want to keep trading costs low. But what if you're looking for a balance between an intuitive interface and industry-standard tools? Let's get to our number 1 pick. And finally, the broker that I believe is the number 1 choice for beginners in the US for 2025 is Forex.com. They are one of the largest and longest-standing retail Forex brokers in the United States. And of course, they are strictly regulated by the CFTC and NFA. Why does Forex.com top my list for new traders? First, their platform interface is extremely user-friendly. Even if you've never traded Forex before, you won't take long to get the hang of it. They also offer a wealth of educational materials. Second, Forex.com S spreads are quite stable. While they might not always be the absolute lowest, consistency helps you predict and manage your trading costs more effectively. A third, and very important strength, is that Forex.com fully integrates both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. These are the 2 most popular trading platforms worldwide. Becoming proficient with MT4/MT5 will open up a lot of opportunities for you, from using custom indicators to automated trading robots. However, there is one point to consider. If you're a scalper, someone who makes many trades throughout the day, aiming for small profits on each, the trading fees, either through spreads or commissions, at Forex.com might be a bit on the higher side. You'll need to factor this in carefully. But overall, with its combination of ease of use, a powerful platform, MT4/MT5 support, and a proven reputation, Forex.com is truly a solid launchpad for your Forex trading journey in the US market. So, there you have it. My top 3 trusted Forex brokers in the US for beginners in 2025. Number 3 was IG, a great choice for those who love in-depth analysis and have a long-term trading outlook. Number 2 was OANDA, stands out for its capital flexibility, no minimum deposit, and competitive spreads. And number 1 was Forex.com, an all-around solid choice, easy to use, especially if you want to get familiar with standard platforms like MetaTrader. The most important thing to remember is that no single broker is perfect for everyone. Ask yourself, what's my trading style? What factors are most important to me in a broker? Now, I want to hear from you. Out of these 3 brokers, which one sounds like the best fit for you? Or do you have experience with another broker in the US that you'd like to share? Go ahead and drop your comments below. If this video brought you some value, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing more in-depth videos soon, including tutorials on how to open accounts and specific trading tips for each of these brokers. All the reference and sign-up links for these reputable brokers are available in the description section of this video. Be sure to check them out for more detailed information. Thanks for watching. I wish you successful trading, and I'll see you in the next video.